dollar value V of the product in terms of the year T. So the ordered pair we're looking at is T, comma, V. Okay, so we're looking at it in terms of T, V. The slope is the rate of change. So in this case, this is my slope. So I need an ordered pair, right? And so they tell you that use T equals 5 to represent 2015. So my ordered pair is going to be 5, 12,500. Okay, because in the year 2015, the value of the product was $12,500. So this is my ordered pair right here, and here's my slope right here. Now, increasing, remember, means that it is a positive slope. Okay, the value of the product is growing, is increasing. So, using the slope-intercept form, my y is 12,500. The slope is 850. X is 5, and we're solving for b. Okay, so multiply 850 times 5, subtract it from 12,500. You get, let me just write the, what happened? So this gives me 4,250. Subtract that from both sides. So you get B is 8,250. Okay, so write your equation. Now remember, we're not using x's and y's, we're using t and v. So the value in terms of t, in terms of the time, t in years, so it's v equals 850t plus 8,250. Okay, 28 is similar to the previous one, to 25, except this time the rate is decreasing, so the slope right here is going to be negative. Okay, because of this, it's going down. It's still 2015, so our ordered pair TV will be 572.95, and our slope would be negative 5.15. Okay, so set it up the same way as before. Again, you have a choice. I keep saying that, but I always come to this form. But you can use the form y minus the point slope form. Okay, so, and it's the same, I mean, you end up with the same answer at the end. It's just a matter of choice for these problems. So 72.95 is negative 515 times 5 plus b. And so then you multiply 515 times 5, and so you end up with negative 2575. And so you add that to both sides to isolate the b. So then that gives me, what, 9870. So my equation is v equals negative 5.15 t plus 98.7. You could include the 0 if you want. It's not necessary. So this is good. Okay, for 31, they give you a point and they give you the equation of a line, and they want you to find two things. They want you to find first a line that is parallel to this one, passing through that point, and then a line that is perpendicular to the same line, again passing through that point. So as you remember by now, if you write an equation of a line, or if you need to write one, you need the slope of the line. Okay, you have to have the slope. So let's go ahead and find the slope by isolating the y in this equation. So we subtract 5x. So then I have negative 4y equals negative 5x plus 8. divide by negative 4. So then that gives me y equals negative over negative, 5 minus 2. So this is the equation of this line in a different form, right? So, but from that we can find the slope. So m is 5/4. That's the key number there that we're looking for. So for part A, we want the line parallel to the line. Equation of the line parallel. So we remember that parallel lines have equal slopes. Their slopes are the same. They're equal. So the slope we need is 5/4. And the point is 3, -2. So -2 equals the slope times the x plus b. So -2 equals 15/4 plus b. So I'm going to subtract 15/4 from both sides. So minus 15/4. Okay. And so I need a common denominator, so let me just move it over here. -2/1 minus 15/4 is b. And so that gives me -8/4 for the -2, which is -23/4. So my equation is y equals 5/4 x minus 23/4. So this equation is parallel to the given equation, okay? And it also passes through the point 3, -2. So for the second part, for B, we want the line perpendicular to the given line, passing through the same point 3, -2. So if the slope is 5/4, well, for perpendicular slope, it's the opposite and reciprocal. Okay? So, and again, we're using 3, -2, so -2 equals -4/5 x plus b. So that gives me -2 equals -12/5. So I'm going to add 12/5 to both sides. And so again, we show the work over here on the side. -2/1 plus 12/5. So -2 becomes -10/5. Common denominator. So 12 minus 10 is 2. So there's my b. Okay. So y equals -4/5 x plus 2/5. And there's your equation.